Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Discord app on your Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Play Store button. And once you've done that, you want to now select where it says search at the bottom of this page and select where it says search apps and games. Search for Discord. And one of the best results should be from Discord. Go ahead and select the install option and it would begin installing. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.